Well, hi folks, just another little quick video for you. It probably won't teach anybody anything. It's just planting the old onion sets out again. These are my onion sets. These are the heat treated ones. So I'm going to put those in here. I'm going to try and put 5 rows in. 5 rows of 20, so I'll get about 100 in. So I'll just show you how easy it is to put them in. And then I'll just let you have a look at my little pond that I've been doing up. So I'll just get these shoved in. So as normal folks, like I said, most people know how to do this, but there might be a few people who are not sure how to plant onion sets. Onion sets have got obviously a top and a bottom. The bottom, you can probably usually see the little roots growing out. So you plant those down, and the pointy end is where all the leaves grow out of. So with these, what I'm going to plant them is 6 inches apart in the row and a foot apart between the rows. So couldn't be easier. I've got my little tape measure down just to give it a quick measure. And I'm just going to push them in, just so the tips are sticking out every 6 inches. I've put about 4 ounces of blood fish and bone into this soil, so that should suffice. And it's the easiest job in the world. Every 6 inches, just pushing one down, just going all along your row like that. So it couldn't be easier. These are the heat treated varieties, which means that they've been kept at a certain temperature for a few weeks. They cost a little bit more, but the thing is with these is they virtually never go to seed. So because apparently inside the onion set there's an embryonic flower spike or something, and when they keep them at this certain temperature, it kills that off and it stops them going to seed. So especially with your red ones, which are really prone to going to seed later on in the season, it's a really good good safeguard for not having them go to seed. And they only cost maybe £1 or £2 a bag more than normal ones, but if you get a season where they all go to seed, you've wasted your time. So it's always good to get some heat treated ones as far as I'm concerned. So that's it, couldn't be easier. Stick them in every 6 inch and job's a good one. So there we go folks, that's 5 rows of 20 in, that's 100. You probably can't see them, maybe just see them popping up there. So that's that done, not a lot to do with those now, so just let them grow up. So I'll just give you a quick look about, show you my pond and how the other beds are getting on. So these are the beds in the polytunnel. I've got them all sorted out now, all tidied up, weeded and stuff. So we're all good to go in here. And that's the pond over there. I'll just go around and have a look. Right then folks, this is probably something that you've never seen before. Well, you never will have done, because it's been totally neglected over the last 20 years. I've just managed to get it all tidied up, dug all the iris out. I'll just show you how much I did dig out. If I chuck a spade on there for a bit of scale, that is just solid iris roots and corms and rhizomes and whatever. Must be a ton of roots, and it was just completely and utterly solid, that, no water in it at all. So what I did, I tied a winch to the back of this tree, winched it out, and then, where's my machete? I've probably lost it. And then I used the machete to hack it into bits and then just pulled it out. But anyway, I've got it filled up again. It's quite a decent sized pond. It's 6 foot by 5 foot. It's about 2 feet deep in the middle, so should be able to get a few nice plants in. A few little fish, golden off I had in before, and they actually bred. I had loads of little baby ones, so just need a bit of, let it settle down a bit. So that's it. So that should be a nice little area. I'll tidy all this bit up, put some wood chippings down and just give it a nice clean up, and we should have a decent little spot. Anyway, that's about it folks, just a little roundup showing you how I plant my onion sets, which is, it's not exactly rocket science. So that's about it folks, see you later.